Alright guys, this is a tool we did for lifting up these utility truck beds. A couple different things. I'm going to go through the controls. You have a center of gravity shift that's controlled by the grip and release. You have an anti-drop circuit right here. The vacuum system is a vacuum saving system, so once it makes vacuum, you're going to hear the vacuum actually shut off. It's all run on compressed air. Once vacuum is made, it checks the system. You have your hoist up and down. This is a 2-speed hoist where you have multiple step buttons. So the harder you press in, the faster it goes. The less you press in, if you go to the first button, it goes to the single to the first speed. You have 2 triggers on your handle to allow you to work at a good ergonomic height. It automatically, changes this handle location. I'm going to go ahead and come on your cart. You can hear that pulse occasionally, but that pulse is just the vacuum potentially losing, the vacuum system's not a perfect seal, so you hear that thing pulse once every 15-20 seconds maybe. You have an anti-drop, can't release this in midair. Go ahead and set this down.